Hi again. Today we're going to make a dish called Silken Tofu steamed with meat. And this particular dish is a dish that I love when I was in Malaysia. I had it in a Taiwanese restaurant and I love it so much. My husband loves it as well, so we started cooking it at home. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee. Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey in the UK. And the food that I have here now, it's a combination of Nyonya food, Chinese food, and maybe some other English food. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my video useful. So now let's go and see how to make this tasty steamed silken tofu topped with meat. For the meat, you need 150 grams of minced pork or chicken, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, a swirl of sesame oil, a shake of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of corn flour, and then you mix it well. You need 2 pieces of silken tofu. We cut the tofu into rounds. Yeah. And we arrange it on a plate, a steaming tray. We arrange it nicely, and then we put the meat on top. So all is done, we put it in the steaming tray and make sure that it stays on top, the meat. We'll steam it for about 15 minutes. To make the sauce, we put half cup of water, a teaspoon of granules, chicken or vegetable granules, it's up to you. Or you can use chicken stock or pork stock. So we stir it and then we heat it in the microwave. So this is after 1 minute, and then we add in the cornstarch, half of it, and then we microwave again for about a minute. So we add in all the corn flour, and then we microwave it. So the sauce is ready. We'll pour it over the tofu when you want to serve. So the tofu is done now, as you can see. I'm going to pour this sauce over. There will be enough sauce, and then we're gonna put in some garnishing, spring onions, a swirl of soy sauce, some garlic crisps and oil. That should taste nice. There you go. This is your steamed tofu topped with meat. So here I have my silken tofu topped with a little bit of the pork. So I'm going to try it with rice. Well, I wouldn't say try, I've tried it before, but I'm just going to show you how tasty it is. Okay. It's very tasty. The meat is very well seasoned, and the silken tofu is very soft and silky, and it tastes really nice. So I'm going to try it with some vegetables. It's really good. You must try it. It's so simple. So there's a very easy steamed silken tofu with meat. And I hope you enjoy watching me preparing that dish. It is so easy. So I hope you'll be inspired to try it as well. So until the next round, I'm Loretta, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey in the UK. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think my videos are useful. Thank you then, until the next round, until the next recipe. Bye, see you. Thank you.